So today we're going to take a look at one of the best official free movie and TV websites available for you to watch online for free. That's the whole idea of what we do here, is free streaming. And official free streaming is a great way to go down. Because what's so good about official free streaming? No buffering, no messing about trying to find the correct link. Go into a top quality, well-made website where everything's easy to access, easy to find, easy to use, not trying to find a separate player, not trying to struggle with buffering, not having to pull the plug out your cable, and you can stream for free. And this official one has apps, has a website, and you can do it, and there's so much free content. And the free content there should not buffer. If you get buffering on this, you've got major issues. Go out, buy a TV aerial, put that back on your roof, and give up with streaming. Okay, before we get started though, make sure you hit that follow button, make sure you hit follow, and make sure you let me know underneath. Let's talk films. What's your favourite film of all time? So, this streaming website, you use it all the time. You might use it all the time and not realise this content is there. You might be using it right now. That's correct. This is actually YouTube. And YouTube is full of movies which are free to watch. But this does vary on your location, okay? And varying on location, many of us in the streaming industry would use a VPN for our privacy. We use a VPN for privacy anyway. And a good thing a VPN can do is also help you travel virtually into a different geolocation. But I'm just going to be talking about what you can access, and you need to check what you can access in your country. But I virtually traveled to America right now. And in America, on my YouTube, if on the side here, I scroll down, there's a section called Movies and TV. And you will find the same section in the app as well. And what you can see in Movies and TV here is lots for free. Even like the Jackass movie here is free. You've got Little Britain, free. You've got things here, free. It says on them, some are buy to rent. You've also got a section as well down here, you will see, which is free primetime movies. And in here, these are all free. And there's so many of them, okay? We've got Coming to America, we've got War of the Worlds, we've got Jackass, we've got Beavis and Butthead, Limitless, Witch Hunter. These are all easy, simple to watch. Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey, Invasion, The Crow, all free. So no real tricky looking. You can also search films, and if they come up, they will tell you if they're free or paid. You can look through and go. And this is so easy to do. And the good thing about YouTube is you all know how to use it because you subscribe to me. Remember to do that. You also know it's free to use, and you also know their servers are unreal. So you might get some adverts on it. You might not. But their servers can handle the traffic. So you're not going to have too many people watching a stream. And on these, you can just click one, find what you click, and it will be click and play. And that will play for you there. Mine is black screen. This will be a black screen because I'm recording, and it's a safety thing, so I don't show you what I'm not allowed to show you. Yes, YouTube can broadcast it for free. I cannot broadcast it for free, but that film there is playing through, no problem. So you can just click on YouTube Movies and TV, and there's so much in here, okay? You'll also find, if you go down further, on different sections, if you're looking for certain things from horror to thriller, you can go in there. Here we go. Thriller, hard copy, TV edit, free. You'll find your TV shows in a minute. Again, but then the other option is if you're still looking for something and you can't find it for free, you've got that buy or rent option if you can't find it elsewhere as well. So I would say I'd link to this website for you underneath, but you're watching YouTube now. So go and have a look what you can find. But what I will link underneath is a VPN for your privacy and your safety. So what else have we got here? Jurassic Park. They're all buy to rent on that one, but The Huntsman, Nick Frost movies, teen films. But then you can look up something. If you wanted to look up a film, let's say Titanic. Don't know why I picked that. Titanic movie here, buy or rent. But what I'm trying to prove there is you can just look up any film and it will tell you if it's free or not. So, type. Bill and Ted was one we saw earlier. And it will show you here. We've got buy or rent on Excellent Adventure, but the first one is free. Bogus Journey. Again, boom. And then you could also look up about it beforehand, and you might even find some full versions underneath in certain areas, because that does happen as well on YouTube. Some people manage to put the whole film up. You know, it's just what they do. So nice and easy, nice and simple, and a nice, great website for you to watch your movies and TV shows. We'll be coming back this week with some other reviews of likes of Plex, Tubi TV, and some official websites again as well, because why not? Because people are struggling with free streaming, People are going down that grey area and really struggling. So let's make sure we're getting the best of the best out of the official ones. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Come back for tomorrow's video, and I'll see you on the next one.